Did you know chameleons have the most distinctive eyes in the animal kingdom? This is a fact that leaves many astonished. These fascinating creatures, known for their color-changing skin, capture the attention of everyone who discovers them. They are true marvels of Mother Nature, showing us once again that the animal kingdom is full of unexpected surprises. Chameleons are not just famous for their ability to change color according to their mood, surroundings, or temperature, but also for their long, sticky tongues. This remarkable appendage, which can be as long as their bodies, is used to catch insects in a flash. But what truly sets these creatures apart is their incredible set of eyes. The eyes of a chameleon are one of nature's most astonishing features. Each eye can move independently of the other, a rare trait that is not common in the animal kingdom. The ability to move each eye separately, allowing a chameleon to look in two different directions at once, offers a panoramic view of their surroundings. This means they can keep an eye on potential predators lurking nearby, while the other eye focused on locating their next meal. This remarkable adaptation has evolved over millions of years to help these lizards survive in their natural habitat. It allows them to scan their environment for food and threats without moving their bodies, staying hidden from predators while seeking out their prey. This extraordinary visual system gives these creatures a significant advantage in the wild, making them one of the most unique species on our planet. So, did you know chameleons have the most distinctive eyes in the animal kingdom? This unique ability allows them to scan their environment for food and threats without moving their bodies, providing them a significant advantage in the wild. Chameleons possess one of the most diverse ranges of color and pattern variations in the animal world. This significant variety is not simply a display of flamboyance, but rather a vital function that plays an essential role in their survival. The spectrum of colors that chameleons bring to life is a visual spectacle that mesmerizes and leaves one in awe. The fascinating play of vibrant hues and intricate patterns that their skin manifests makes them unique in the kingdom. But beyond this dazzling spectacle lies a scientific marvel. The color change is not arbitrary. It is a sophisticated physiological response by an array of factors. It is a reflection of their internal physiological state based on their mood and the ambient temperature around them. The color change can range from subtle shades to drastic transformations, painting a vivid picture of their internal state of being. Another fascinating factor that influences their color change is light exposure. Whether basking in the radiant sunshine or seeking shelter in shades, light plays a crucial role in their color transformation. This radical color modulation based on light variance underscores their adaptability and resilience in diverse habitats. Contrary to popular belief, the chameleon's color change is not a camouflage tactic to blend into their environment. This is a common misconception. In reality, they use this color modulation capability primarily for communication, signaling their intentions, emotional state, and for thermal regulation. They leverage this ability to regulate their body temperature, highlighting an elegant interplay between their physiology and their environment. Chameleons don't change their color to blend into their environment, but rather use this ability for communication and to regulate their body temperature. Did you know chameleons have the fastest tongue in the animal kingdom? It's a fact that may seem almost otherworldly, yet it's an everyday occurrence in the life of these fascinating creatures. This isn't just a matter of speed, but a true testament to the marvelous intricacies of nature. The tongue of a chameleon is not just a mere body part, it's a powerful tool, an indispensable weapon in its survival. It's a mechanism of extraordinary precision and agility, developed through countless generations of evolution. These tongues are often longer than their bodies, an astonishing characteristic that leaves many in awe. Can you imagine having a bodily appendage that exceeds the length of your body? It's a concept that seems far-fetched to us humans, but it's a reality for these unique creatures. It's a giant leap of imagination for us, yet it's a simple, everyday fact for the chameleon, a species that never ceases to amaze with its extraordinary features. The speed of their tongue projection is mind-boggling. They can project their tongues at such high velocity, the pace is nothing short of astonishing. Speed is not just a show of strength, but a necessity. They use this rapid movement as a means to capture their prey, turning a simple meal into a thrilling chase. And the most fascinating thing about this? It happens in a heartbeat. in just about 7/100ths of a second. That's faster than a blink of an eye, faster than the time it takes for a hummingbird to flap its wings. It's so fast that the human eye, despite its own impressive capabilities, can barely keep up. They say seeing is believing, but in the case of the chameleon's fast-paced tongue, it's a spectacle that often evades our sight, leaving us in marvel of nature's wonders. But that's not all. There is so much more to these fascinating creatures known as chameleons. In the realm of biological adaptability, they are truly a marvel. Not only are they famous for their ability to change their skin color, but they also have a unique feature that is less known but equally interesting. This feature is their zygodactyl feet. Now you might be wondering, what does zygodactyl mean? Well, if we were to simplify it, we could say that their toes are grouped into two opposing sets on each foot. It's a fascinating concept that might be difficult to visualize initially. You see, most creatures, including us humans, have our toes arranged in a straightforward fashion, but not chameleons. Their feet structure is much like the fingers of a human hand, with two sets of toes opposing each other. This might seem strange to us, but for them, it's the key to their incredible climbing abilities. This unique configuration, coupled with their specialized claws, is what allows them to have a firm grasp on branches, vines, and other structures as they navigate their arboreal walking on a tightrope with the constant risk of falling. Now imagine having the firm and confident grip of a chameleon. Their zygodactyl feet offer them stability and control, ensuring their safety as they traverse the tree canopies. It's an incredible design by nature, providing these vibrant creatures with the tools they need to survive in their environment. So, while their color-changing skin might be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of chameleons, remember that they also have these extraordinary zygodactyl feet. This unique configuration allows them to have a firm grasp on branches as they navigate their arboreal habitats. Moreover, chameleons are solitary animals, with males being particularly territorial. These fascinating creatures, who have captured the interest of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike, have a unique lifestyle that sets them apart from other species. They are not social butterflies, but rather loners who cherish their solitude. They exist in isolation, their existence colored by their solitary nature, with only the vast expanse of wilderness for company. Males in particular bear a zealous sense of territory. They are fiercely protective of their turf, their territorial instincts honed to the point of perfection. Their abode, bereft of the presence of their kind, becomes a sacred fortress, a zone where trespassers are unwelcome. Even the slightest threat to their domains is met with swift and decisive action, a testament to their territorial disposition. The only time when this solitude is broken is during the mating season. During this brief period, chameleons become more tolerant of each other's. It is a time when they engage in an intricate dance of courtship, their solitary existence momentarily paused as they seek companionship. Their communication, a spectacle to behold, is laden with dramatic displays of color. They transform into living kaleidoscopes, their skin flashing brilliant hues, signaling their moods and intentions. This display is complemented by behaviors like puffing themselves up, an act that makes them appear larger and more intimidating to potential threats. They even resort to hissing, a guttural sound that serves as a warning to intruders. They communicate their moods and intentions through dramatic displays of color, puffing themselves up, and even hissing. In the world of reptiles, chameleons are relatively long-lived, a unique quality that sets them apart from their reptilian brethren. They come in a range of sizes, each bearing a lifespan that is reflective of its size. The smaller species, often the most colorfully striking, can survive and thrive for up to 5 years, a noteworthy feat in the harsh environments they often call home. During this time, these petite chameleons exhibit a rich array of behaviors and adaptations that make them a captivating subject of study for herpetologists and animal enthusiasts alike. They use their distinctive, rapidly changing coloration not only for effective camouflage against potential predators, but also as a form of communication, expressing their mood and intentions to others of their kind. Moreover, their uniquely designed eyes, capable of independent movement, offer them an exceptional range of vision, allowing them to spot prey and predators alike from great distances. Such features make them the embodiment of evolutionary ingenuity and biological adaptability, demonstrating nature's ceaseless creativity in ensuring survival. On the other hand, the larger species of chameleons, formidable in size and presence, can live for up to 12 years under ideal conditions. Their longevity is a testament to their resilience and the efficacy of their survival strategies. Chameleons are not only an essential part of their ecosystems, maintaining the balance of life in their habitats, but also play a significant role in the pet trade. In this latter capacity, they serve as a link between humans and the fascinating world of reptiles, providing an insightful window into the complexities of the natural world. To summarize, chameleons are truly one-of-a-kind creatures. They are nature's enigma, having evolved over millions of years into the captivating creatures we see today. Their distinctive, independently moving eyes are a sight to behold. Two small orbs that can rotate 360 degrees, providing almost comprehensive vision. This distinctive feature allows them to scan the environment for potential threats and prey without the need for turning their heads. The chameleon's color-changing skin is perhaps its most iconic trait. These scaly spectacles can shift their color almost at will, in response to their emotions, temperature, or even to communicate with others of their species. This transformation is a result of special cells under their skin called chromatophores, which can expand and contract to reflect different colors of light. Their tongues are another intriguing aspect. They are fast-moving, capable of striking prey with lightning speed. The tongue's length can be up to twice the body length of the chameleon, a fascinating adaptation for catching prey. Their unique feet are designed for a life spent among the trees. The two toes on each foot oppose the other three, allowing them to grip branches tightly. Chameleons live a solitary existence, marking territories and using their skin colors for nonverbal communication. These creatures boast a lifespan that's relatively long in the reptile world, varying from one species to another. These fascinating facts only scratch the surface of what makes chameleons so mesmerizing, reminding us of the endless wonders the natural world has to offer.